Hello YouTube and hello to my second video. This is the unboxing of the Blackberry Keyone Bronze Edition. This is in the Middle East, particularly in the United Arab Emirates. Of course, this Bronze Edition is a dual SIM edition of the Keyone Blackberry. There's a silver one and there is also the black one. The black and the bronze kind of have the similar specifications, so we'll get into that later. 64 GB, 4 GB specifications are here. Network 4G, display 4.5 inches IPS, CPU octa-core 64-bit Snapdragon 625, rear camera 12 megapixels and 8 megapixels, memory 64 GB, 4 GB as I mentioned before, battery 3505 milliampere hours, and of course it's running Android. What I am really curious to see about this Blackberry Keyone is does this dual SIM edition has dedicated SIM card slots, or does it have a hybrid SIM card slot like that of most of the phones, like Samsung Galaxy phones, which has two SIM card slots, and the second SIM card slot is also doubles as the memory card micro SD card slot. Unlike that of the LG V20, which I had before, or I still have now, it has two separate dedicated SIM card slots and a separate micro SD card slot. So it's like you can use the phone with the memory card and with two SIM cards. And I hope this one does too.